Hello guys, today I am going to show you how you can make low poly rocks, which looks like this in Blender. To make this, open Blender and delete that cubed UV sphere mess. After that, go to the edit mode and subdivide it once. And now open viewport shading and choose matte cap. Now switch to sculpting mode. Pick a brush called scrape. And increase the strength to max value. And same for hardness. Now open stroke and increase the spacing to max value. Open symmetry and make sure mirror and not active for any axis. And now start sculpting like this. You can increase and decrease the brush size by holding F key. After, when you happy with your sculpt, back to the normal mode. Now you can see our sphere now looks like a rock, but it has so many vertices, edges and faces, which is not good for your project performance. To fix that and even make it look more better, we are going to use modifier called decimate modifier. Pick planar. Check all boundaries, and now when you start increasing angle limit, all of the unwanted faces will start collapsing, and now it looks more better and low poly. And now you can apply. You can also use collapse option instead of planar. To do that, pick the collapse option and check the triangulate, and increase the ratio. When you happy with your result, hit apply. Now we got our low poly rock, and now all you have to do is just add some texture and materials and you are done. To make another one, just duplicate it. Make it thicker and taller, or maybe give some random rotation, as you prefer. After some texturing and rendering, it will looks like that. Thank you for watching. Leave a like if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to the channel to show your support.